Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video.
didn't.
This time we're going to be making another Animal Company video. I'm so obsessed with this game. I barely even play Gorilla Tag now.
Buddy got it. Hey, who got it? Who has it? I have it.
What is this?
Buddy has it.
Oh, you know what? Guys, I'm going to go blow up the chicken.
Oh, the map, I have it. Shoot it up full power. Just shoot it up a little
Let's
bit.
bring a crowbar just in case.
God, everyone got taken to midair.
Money,
I'm going to make it pop like that.
Where is Blue?
Yeah, there we go. We're going to go bomb the turkey. I mean, not turkey, chicken.
Where's the guy doing giveaways?
Because chicken brings a boom.
He got it.
That's what he do. He brings a boom. That's what he do. He bring the boom. Stop saying the N-word. Stop. Oh my god, I killed myself.
Honestly, I always get done.
I'm gonna go get some MREs.
I'm on the giveaway. We're doing other things.
MREs?
I didn't
But you MRE. I can't. The Goku guy stole my last one. Look.
I'm free! I'm free! I'm so fast. Come on. Oh, come on. I thought the pin. Turkey!
Okay.
Oh, God. Turkeys, run, turkey! Going to the dark forest.
Everybody say you come. This is your last time. That is your last time.
You're singing the song wrong.
Like the sky, say everybody put it's this you.
Chicken! Chicken! Hi, chicken! I missed! Gotta throw in the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola!
Have your rubber duckies for this. For that scream. Everybody, I have a radio here. Everybody, I have a radio here. Radio. Use that.
Oh my god.
So 2 big MREs, 2 shiny creams, and 2 zombies in the back.
Shut up.
Yes.
Broke ass niggas can't even afford free load. Okay, so what's going
Oh,
on?
I got an arrow. I'm gonna hunt some turkeys real quick.
That was not OG. That was not OG. Oh, this green guy got it.
Turkey!
He's on my sensation.
Run! Why y'all scared of me? Come here! There we go. Turkey. Let's go back.
Okay, done.
2 choices, Spanish or vanish.
I feel like he's lying.
I'm gonna go buy a pogo stick.
Are you lying?
I don't have a flashlight though.
Get him!
Feel it dark.
Kill him.
Pogo stick.
Banana Dog's trying to get everybody to kill me.
I don't think I see it. We're gonna come back with the flashlight. Come on.
Go to lab. Bro, I get nothing.
Come on.
I have a full bag.
Then dump them.
Dump them, go back, you dump them. Does anybody have a Galaxy tablet? I do. Who was the guy had the full bag of MREs?
What's going on?
I got the flashlight bag. If you have a Galaxy
Let's go.
Nothing. No, yo, why? The white person with the go to couch if you have Galaxy tablet.
Go.
There's a grappler. Who keeps using
There we
stupid
go.
ray guns?
Oh. Who keeps putting
Bro,
whiteboards in here?
I
It was
never
Coda.
did any-
Coda is dead. How does that happen?
I got it.
Is it in the back of this chair?
Bro.
I think it's the wrong room. Or am I wrong? What's this?
Alright, do another one. Do another
Scrambled
one.
eggs. Oh, it's probably up here.
Yeah, just like those.
I do. Where'd it go?
Jimmy was here? What
Where'd
the?
it go?
Yo, bro, where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Stop, just stop.
They're not here.
I found it.
Yo, bro, what? I really
Then where's
need
the
it, bro.
pogo stick? Is it in another room? Just kill me already.
Oh, no, my backpack.
Wait, do you have a VPN?
Wait, what?
I'm gonna make you pop like that. Oh, kitty cat.
Give me your code, Yo. Wait, give me your code.
Guys, for the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna be trolling people with grenades.
Can you do that?
I don't know what this one.
Why can't I join the
Yo, have a big pumpkin pie.
See me! See me now. No, I don't think any people are outside the same room. Hiroshima!
Ray guns are
No, bro. Let's join code. White, can we join code? Got it. Let me have a backpack, Can bro. we join Let code? me have a
Yo,
backpack.
wait, add me and
Hi, be free!
Ray gun, bro.
What? Why don't know the
It's
code?
so glitchy.
Give me my ray gun.
Bro, can I have a broccoli? Can I have a broccoli? Can I have a broccoli?
Alefa, 997.
If you're the god, then give us bear eyes.
I don't know, guys. If I'm gonna bomb troll, so I don't know if I have. I don't know if I have
you
it.
add me back. You add me.
I look sick though.
Guys,
Nigger.
Hey, don't say that.
God, then give us bear eyes. Guys.
Or is he gonna get rich?
Yo, why are you?
Let me play one at a time.
Ladies, only.
Guys, I'm gonna put this cracker in the bag. I'm gonna put this cracker in the bag.
Let's go as fast as
Don't listen to anybody.
the Not Horizon.
Well, I'm gonna throw it with
No.
one more drop in there.
I hate people with ray guns. Who's joining?
Okay, I'll
Yo,
end
you
it
have to,
later.
oh,
You guys, this guy just stole my ray gun.
Let's go in fast.
Jackson Davis 180. Jackson Davis 180. Yo, add Jackson. Add Jackson Davis 180. Add Jackson Davis 180. Add.
So where's the grenade?
Add Jackson Davis 180.
No!
No.
I don't know if I can go to the part of the sticky dynamite.
Come join me. Yo, wait, come join me. Yo, wait, come join me.
Where is it right there? Huh.
Don't listen to anybody. Don't.
What's expanded packets? Pockets.
What?
Okay, guys, I didn't find the sticky dynamite, but I think I'll find it right now.
What? You know what?
Okay, guys, I have to end the video now. I was just kidding.